Salam dostlar, welcome to English with Erkin YouTube channel. I'm Erkin. Agar ingliz tilini yangicha, erkin va yengil o'rganmoqchi bo'lsangiz, bu kanalning yaxshi do'sti bo'ling. There are two different ways of starting a conversation. Small talk or greeting with friends. Small talk is good for breaking the ice with strangers. Greeting between friends. Bu usul bo'lsa, oldinburun tanıydigan adamlar orasidagi paráڭlىشىمىزning eng yaxshi usuli. Let's see some examples. Small talk.
It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's warm, the sky is blue, there are no clouds.
It feels like spring already. Summer will be beautiful.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dartford. It's a small town in the southeast of England. It's actually the hometown of Mick Jagger and Keith Richards, and me.
Greeting between friends.
Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on? Hello there. Hello there. Hey, what's good? Hey, what's good?
How is it going? How is it going? What's up? What's up? For all these questions, your answer can be the description of your state, either positive or negative. Yuqorqi savollarning hammasiga berilgan javobingiz albatta sizning ahvolingiz, balkim ijobiy bo'lishi mumkin yoki salbiy bo'lishi mumkin. Masalan,
I'm good. I'm all right. I'm awesome. I'm fantastic. I'm tired. I'm really hungry. I'm feeling unwell.
awesome. Awesome. Fantastic. Fantastic. Tired. Tired. Hungry. Hungry. What are you passionate about? Let's talk about hobbies and things you enjoy.
What do you love doing? What do you love doing? What are you passionate about? What are you passionate about? What do you enjoy? What do you enjoy?
Yuqorqi savollarning hammasi albatta siz nimalarga qiziqsiz, nimalarni qilishni yoqtirasiz degan savollar bo'ldi. Endi bu savollarga qanday javob beramiz? Bizga tuvanda Steve positive answers, ya'ni ijobiy javoblardan bir qanchani misol qildi.
I really love snowboarding. I really love snowboarding. I adore listening to music. I adore listening to music.
Agar javobingiz salbiy javob bo'lib qolsa, masalan, I hate washing dishes. I hate washing dishes. I'm not a fan of ironing. I'm not a fan of ironing. Snowboarding. Snowboarding. Qar terish. Washing dishes. Washing dishes. Chini qancha yuvish. Ironing. Ironing. Dazmollash. What are you passionate about? Sizning javobingizni saqlayman. Javobingizni asliga comment section yozib qo'ying. Javob berganda o'zingiz eng yoqtirgan ifoda shaklini tanlab turib javob bersangiz bo'ldi. Xo'sh do'stlar, texim ko'p sarxil mazmundagi videolar faqat sizning qo'llab quvvatlashingiz turtkisizda maydonga keldi. Sizning qo'llashingiz butunlay haqsiz qo'llash bo'lib, a'zo bo'lish knopkasi, ya'ni subscribe buttonini bosib qo'yish orqali mushtari yoki abonent bo'lsangiz bo'ldi. Har qanday taklif fikrlaringiz va savollaringizni video ostidagi comment section, ya'ni inkas qismiga oymay yozib qo'ysangiz bo'ldi. Kelar hafta ko'rishaylik. Xayr xo'sh.